This is the snatch to the overhead squat. Two different ways to do the overhead squat. The first way is similar to the windmill, where you're going to hinge your hips back and look up at the weight and come down and touch the ground. If your flexibility allows, which I prefer to do this way, you're just going to put one arm up, other arm out, so you can see your arm. If your arm starts to drift this way, your body's drifting and starting to twist. So you keep your arm straight out, hinge, and back up. Demo the exercise. Snatch, overhead squat. Hinge back at your hips, almost like the windmill. Watching that weight, touch the floor, and then come back up. Second way of doing it is your arm straight out. This is only if your flexibility in your shoulder allows you to. So you keep your arm straight out to a squat. Switch arms. Snatch. Now the overhead squat, to get your shoulders flexible enough to do it without looking up at the weight, it's you want to lock your fingers together, lock your hands together this way, hands above your head, pull yourself down with your hip flexors this way, knees out, squeeze back up. Don't let gravity just drop you down. You won't have any stored tension at the bottom to come back up. Do it one more time. Take a breath. And back up. Try to keep your opposite arm out and stable. And if you start to see it, you're twisting your body too much. Snatch to an overhead squat.